everyone, my name is Aryan Yadav. I am from CSC A section. Today's my concept video topic is about finding the powers of a matrix using diagonalization method.
Diagonalizable. If A is similar to a diagonal matrix D, which means we can write A is equal to P D P inverse. For some invertible matrix P, if A is equal to P D P inverse, what is A square? A square is equal to P D P inverse into P D P inverse. That is equal to, we can write P inverse into P is equal to I. So, we can write P into D square into P inverse. Similarly, we can find A cube, that is equal to A square into P D P inverse. Here A square is equal to P D square into P inverse. Again, P inverse into P is equal to I. Hence, we can write A cube is equal to P D cube P inverse, and so on. So on, for A power 4, we can write P D power 4 P inverse. Taking advantage of diagonal matrix. To find A power k of any square matrix A, diagonalize A, in other words factorize A as P D P inverse. For suitable D and invertible P, raise the diagonal entries of D to K, no change to P and P inverse. And next, find the product P D power K P inverse. The following theorem says, when exactly we can diagonalize a square matrix A. Theorem. An n cross n matrix A is diagonalizable if and only if A has n linearly independent eigenvectors. A is equal to P D P inverse, where D is a diagonal matrix if and only if the column of P are n linearly independent eigenvectors of A. If this is done, the diagonal entries of D are the eigenvalues of A that correspond to the respective eigenvectors in P. Notes. You can arrange the eigenvalues of A in any order you like to form D. Arrange the linearly independent eigenvectors of A as column to form P. This should correspond to how you write D. This means that first column in P must be the eigenvector of the first column eigenvalue in D. The second column in P, the eigenvector corresponding to the second eigenvalue in D, and so on. This is very important. Of course, you could write P. Let A is equal to P D P inverse for the given P and D. Compute A power 4. P is equal to matrix of 2 minus 3 minus 3 5. D is equal to 1 0 0 1 by 2. Since A is equal to P D P inverse, A power 4 is equal to P D power 4 into P inverse. D power 4 is equal to 1 power 4 0 0 1 by 2 whole power, that is equal to 1 0 0 1 by 16. Here det is equal to 1. So okay, we can find P inverse. P inverse is equal to matrix of 5 3 3 and 2. A power 4 is equal to P into D power 4 P inverse. A power 4 is equal to P, that is given in the question, and D power 4 is equal to 1 0 0 1 by 16, and P inverse is equal to 5 3 3 2, that is equal to P D power 4 into P inverse equal to 2 minus 3 by 16 minus 3 5 by 16, and P inverse is equal to 5 3 3 2. And on multiplying P D power 4 and P inverse, we get 10 minus 9 by 16, 6 minus 6 by 16, minus 15 plus 15 by 16 minus 9 plus 10 by 16. On further calculation, we get 1 by a power 4 is equal to 1 by 16 into matrix of 151, 90, minus 225, minus 134.